phone plan that for a year, we've been bragging about that we're going to do 1,200 minutes, 1,200 text messages, and 1,200 gigabytes for a year. Very similar to this plan that's on tracfone. It's the same. Basically, it's just less, what you call it? More data with the eBay plan. And yeah, so I bought this off eBay for $49.99. And what you do is, so you can get a card with the number activation code on it. I can't turn it around because the activation code is on the back. You know, I activated it already. And I'll show you that, but yeah. And it does carry over what you had left over before, because I had 700 minutes left over from before, and it's still changed and stuff like that. I had a lot of leftovers when I did this card. When I activated the card, I had a lot left over. So initially, like I'm just saying, this is just an update to show you that, yes, I made it through a plan like this through a year without going over my minutes or having to pay extra. So all in all, the last 2 years, I'm getting ready to go into the second year by buying this one. I want to see if I can make it through this. Even if I don't, it's fine. If I don't make it through this plan, I just end up buying another one of these cards if I can find one and replenish it like that or something, or just according to usage or whatever. So what you get is you get this card but you gotta pick the I don't know option on eBay. If you don't pick the I don't know, you're gonna get a SIM card with everything activated already. Basically, that's how that goes. If you don't pick I don't know, and it comes with the keep your own phone smartphone kit, which I did not need because I have a phone already. I'm using this phone right here, the phone I got last year through tracfone, the Moto E. I'm not gonna even bother. It works. It works. So we're keeping it. This will look like when you open it. You can use your SIM in 3 different sizes. Who uses standard SIM size still? I don't know. Who does that? They got AT&T compatibility, Verizon, and I know the other one gotta be T-Mobile. Yeah, all 3 of those come in there. So they all come in here, so you don't have no way you can say my phone don't work. Okay, your phone is going to work regardless. I think I got a CDMA phone right now that I think you can use, because it's on Verizon network all the time, really, since I had it. I think because it works in weird places that phones never really worked before. But all in all, I can say the year was great. Of course, it was great because I bought another year. And I can't believe so past 2 years, this is going to be 2 years, 2 years anyway. So all in all, I paid under $160. Yeah, $160 for a phone and 2 years of worth plans in the past 2 years. So I feel like that's great. Like, it's great, and it's a trick that I use. I'm about to show you. Let me show you the minutes part. This is what's remaining after I activated it today. 1,981 minutes. So that means I had, like I said, let's see, 600 minutes. Yeah, I had like 600 minutes left because it's 1200 added on, 1200 text. So I had 801 text left from the previous plan. I only had 1 gig on the other plan, so I had a half a gig left. Plus it's 3 gigs on this new plan. So, and that was in a year time. So imagine what I have left over this year at the end of the year, and that's the day my expiration date is 11/7/2020. Perfect. But I can't believe I got it for $49.99, but you gotta pay. You gotta say I don't know, so you can use if you got a current tracfone plan. You don't want to get a new phone number. That's what I was trying to do. Or you don't want a new phone number. You need this card just so you don't have to get a new phone number. Because that's what I did. So it can be activated with your phone number you have right now. They say this card does not triple your minutes and all that jazz. So it was definitely worth the $50 because I don't use my phone heavy. I do for data, but I'm about to show you. There's a trick that I use so I use the Text Now app. Let me get off there. If I want to do long phone calls, that's how I'm not able to go over my minutes. If I know somebody that you talk to for a long time, you use that app. And I do have Google Voice too, but I don't like Google Voice that much. I don't like Google Voice at all. I should have kept my Google Voice, but I don't like it. Like I like this other one. Text Now is way better to me. I like the Text Now better. I like the Text Now app better. And then all your stuff, normal stuff that's on here, on this phone. I don't know how I did this, but I got a ton of apps. Just sidebar this for a minute. I got a ton of apps on this phone. I don't know how I did that because this is 16 gig and I put extra stuff all over this thing. I just got a lot of stuff on here. I love this phone. I love it. I definitely feel like I paid $100. I spent $100 buying the phone plus tax and whatnot. So $100 plus tax, and then this plan $49.99 plus tax. So like $160 for the last 2 years. Like I said, that's a good idea. It's a really good idea for a really light user. This is just a light user idea that I'm doing right now. And it came pretty quick because I ordered it Monday. And today is Thursday. So that was definitely worth it. In the back, okay, so I got something to cover up the back number now. The back just tell you how to activate the card and refill or activate. And I just was refilling my service with this card because I don't know why they don't just sell this card without the SIMs. I don't get this. I don't get it because I didn't need a new SIM card. I just needed the activation code, and that was it. But whatever. And I bought it directly from tracfone and on eBay, so that was a good deal.